Welcome to 7311 Southeast 31st Avenue, a timeless 3-bedroom, 2-bath Tudor in the heart of Eastmoreland. With over 3,000 square feet of original character, this classic home is a true Portland gem. Inside, you'll find hardwood floors, coved ceilings, and a storybook fireplace, hallmarks of this beloved neighborhood. Step outside and the backyard unfolds like a mini English garden, lush, private, and perfect for peaceful afternoon teas or quiet entertaining. You're just moments from Eastmoreland Golf Course, tree-lined streets, and the shops and cafés of Selwood and Woodstock. This is your opportunity to own a piece of Eastmoreland history, where timeless charm meets unbeatable location.